ba kayo sa kape na katulad ko? Para sa mga coffee lovers dyan and at the same time aesthetic din, saktong-sakto yung napuntahan namin coffee shop dito sa San Rafael, Bulacan. Sa Barangay Talaksan, San Rafael, inside ng San Rafael River Adventure. Yung name ng coffee shop is El Rio Adventura Cafe. Bago kayo makapunta dun sa coffee shop is may tinatawag dito na temporary parking na kailangan magbayad ng 150 pesos per person.
Reception sir na. Temporary parking.
And dito pa lang sa pathway na to is mararamdaman mo na yung place is nag-o-offer ng feeling ng being the right place, nasa right place ka for recreation and relaxation. This coffee shop offers you some relaxation as well as recreation. Yung nag-chill ka and then nare-relax ka. Hindi katulad dun sa mga nakasanayan nating coffee shop dito sa city, which is ang maririnig natin habang nagko-coffee tayo is tunog ng mga sasakyan, tunog ng mga kung ano-ano. Dito usually maririnig mo is more on nature sounds like birds, mga minsan may tuko din dito ko maririnig. Dito namin pinili sa deck nila na mag-coffee. Dito namin pinili mag-coffee dahil dito, sino namang hindi pipili dito sa lugar na to para mag-coffee? Nakaka-relax yung view and then as well, napaka-presko ng hangin. Pero meron din naman kung gusto nyo naman na medyo mas tahimik, ayaw nyo may naririnig na anything na sounds, kahit nature sounds pa yan, pwede kayo doon sa may second floor. Meron silang second floor which is doon ka mag-order ng mga drinks para dalhin kung saang part ka ng cafe magpapa-reserve or magpapa-serve nung mga coffee mo. This is the second floor. Marami pang ginagawa dito and I think much better kung babalik kami dito na masusulit namin yung day and night na facilities and amenities nila. Kasi para ma-experience namin yung mga ino-offer nila, yun talaga yung goal ko is makabalik dito na hindi lang kami magka-coffee, mag-stay, matutulog, magre-relax. Ito yung second floor which is air-conditioned na para din sa iba na ayaw nila ng pag medyo mainit na dito sila, but most of the people na nagka-cafe dito is na kikita ko nandun talaga sila sa outside dahil malamig din naman yung hangin. Tulad ng punta namin dyan, katanghaliang na to pero since wala namang araw, malamig din talaga yung hangin kaya nakaka-relax. Nung nagpunta kami, as may nakita kami mga nag-water activities, may mga nagpa-paddle, and then may nagsiswimming din. And also, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan, pero parang ang saya-saya nila. Rinig na rinig yung sigaw nila at tawanan dun sa mismong kinauupuan namin, dun sa roof deck. And then, kahit saan ka pumunta dito, lahat ng garden area nila, several corners, provided ng hammock and long chair. Each spot naman is yung location is talagang marerelax ka lang, yung pwede ka mag-chill out anytime. The resort is located in Bulacan that makes it accessible also for people who wants to go on a getaway and spend time to relax without traveling too far from Manila. It's just an hour drive away from Balintawak exit. Hi! At syempre may trivia po ulit tayo. San Rafael River Adventure is initially built as a venue ng owner's parents na nagse-celebrate ng golden wedding anniversary. Dinevelop to para maging family weekend home or parang pinag-istayan nila tuwing weekend na nag-gather sila ng family nila before to inopen sa public noong 2015. And for me, overall, yung pag-stay namin doon kahit ilang oras lang is napaka-relax, nakaka-chill yung vibe, and then lahat ng puntahan mo na part nung kahit anong corner doon is napaka sarap sa mata. Of course, lagi masarap sa mata. Yun talagang hinahanap ko. Masarap sa mata, masarap yung simoy ng hangin. And then, makakapag-relax talaga kayo ng family mo. And when it comes to food and drinks, meron silang coffee and non-coffee and all-day breakfast. Medyo expensive and pricey but napakasulit dahil yung isang order is good for 2 to 3 person. So, pwede kayo mag-sharing. And then, napakasarap ng food. So, yun lang for now. Thank you!